Have you ever heard about carrot jam? It may sound weird, but carrots are delicious and get even better in this homemade recipe. Today, more and more people are trying to have a healthy diet with less sugar and processed foods. Thinking about it, nothing better than making your own jam at home, right? Have you tried to make jam at home before? Share with us your favorite recipes or which homemade jam you tried and loved. Besides using healthy ingredients, this recipe also uses a part of fruits that are usually discarded, the peel. We even have a video about some foods that you can eat unpeeled. Did you watch it? No? Then click on the suggested video above. This jam is made with unpeeled carrots, lemon juice, orange peels, and demerara sugar, which doesn't contain chemical additives like other sugars. We already explained most of the benefits of the ingredients on our channel. You can learn more about them by clicking on the suggested videos at the end of this recipe. Some of the benefits of carrots are that it helps treat constipation, prevents the formation of kidney stones, purifies the intestine, eliminates toxins, and helps in the adequate absorption of nutrients. Carrots are rich in minerals, vitamin A, B, C, and E, and potent antioxidants that improve lung, liver, and kidney function and help prevent different types of cancers. Isn't it wonderful? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Learn how to make this recipe. 3 big carrots, 1 big orange, 1 big lemon, 2½ cups of demerara sugar. Directions: thoroughly wash and dice the carrots without peeling them. Put them in a pot with water and cook until soft. Thoroughly wash the orange and lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice and set aside. Grate the orange and lemon peels and set aside. Once the carrots are cooked, drain the water and add the carrots to a blender. Add the lemon juice, orange peels, and sugar and blend until smooth. Pour in a pot and cook for 10 minutes over low heat. Keep stirring to avoid burning or sticking to the pot. After cooking, store in a sterilized glass jar with a metal lid. It will keep your jam with all its properties. Put the glass jar in a pot with boiling water. The water should reach the middle of your jar. Let it boil for 5 minutes to remove the air. If air is added to the jam, it loses its texture and appearance. Lastly, turn your jar heads down and let it in the hot water for 10 minutes. The water doesn't need to be boiling. Removing the air is essential to avoid the growth of microorganisms in your jam. Try this jam and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.